In MCQ 36, this is with regards to heredity, whereby we see a condition here that's actually caused by the recessive allele A, telling us that this condition actually manifests as a recessive phenotype. Now you can see that the genotype of the parents here is actually considered to be heterozygous. So I'm going to represent this again in a Punnett square. So heterozygous parent I'll let this be representative of that of the father and this representative of that of the mother itself. So doing the Punnett square over here, you can see that the offspring, there's 25% chance of it to be homozygous dominant, meaning that this offspring is actually going to be normal. You couldn't see a 25% chance of being heterozygous dominant, and it's still going to be normal because a single dominant allele masks over the effect of the single recessive allele. However, there is also a 25% chance that the offspring actually contains a homozygous recessive genotype, and this is where there is the condition manifesting itself. But this is to note that each of the offspring genotype is independent of its sibling genotype, because each childbirth is going to be independent. It will be a reassortment of the gametes, and the chance of fusion is going to be randomized again. And due to this, it is unfair to say that no child can have the conditions. We are already proving that there's a 25% chance that the recessive phenotype may manifest. And for C and D, which are very definitive terms like must have the condition, this is untrue because, like I say again, each offspring genotype is independent of previous sibling genotype. Each of the offspring genotype is unique by itself. And so that leaves us with A as the correct answer, as to there is a may, this word that's actually included inside to show that there is a tendency for any of the child to have the conditions, and be it one child, two children or three children, they can have the condition because each has a 25% chance to have that recessive phenotype manifesting. So A is the correct answer for this question.